The next step in mindfulness, and that's a giant leap, is to be mindful of one's feelings. Close your eyes for a while and think. How do you feel? What is the experience like when you are in a state of rage, extreme anger? How your whole being gets consumed with the feeling. Also think, where does this feeling reside? Where do all feelings reside? Be it anger, be it excitement, be it desires, be it expectations, be it jealousy, be it love, be it compassion. What is it in us all that becomes these feelings? You may say, the mind. What is mind? Think. As we have a gross body, the body that is perceptible. You can touch it, you can see it. We also have a subtle body that consists of the mind, which can perform various functions like feelings, intelligence, analysis, decision making, perceptions, memory, ego. There is one very subtle substance in us all, very subtle. It's called Sukshma Sharira in Sanskrit. That is capable of superimposing upon itself various names and forms, various shapes, various, in Sanskrit, vrittis. Manovrittis is the term used, mental formations. Now it becomes the table of two. Now it becomes jealousy. Now it becomes craving. Now it becomes love. Now it becomes a pleasant memory. Now it becomes a bad memory. Now it is in a state of hurry. Now it is in a state of worry. All those shapes, these are mental shapes. They keep arising as waves arise on the surface of water, as clouds arise from the source of the sky. These forms are also arising all the time. Manovrittis, mental formations, and all these forms are transient, bubble-like forms. Bubble takes shape, bubble pops. Thoughts take shape, thoughts pop. feelings take shape, feelings pop. The next step in mindfulness is to be aware of one's feelings. There are 2 steps in this process. One, to be aware of the causal feelings, which are one's likes and dislikes. I like this, I dislike that. How many times you say this during the course of the day? I love this, I hate that. What is happening at that time in your mind? Your mind is taking that form. I like this form. I dislike that form. It gets consumed by that form. It becomes one with that form. It identifies itself with that form. It gets lost in that form. It gets totally involved in that form. And then it gives commands, involuntary, unconscious commands to the body. That starts following those commands. That starts following those likes and dislikes, starts acting and reacting accordingly. Think, please. What a beautiful, what a wonderful instrument this mind is. What beauty. What subtlety, what fineness. Now, when you are mindful, that does not merely mean becoming passively mindful. Just knowing that you had a desire, you had a preference, you had a hope, you had a liking, you had an expectation. When you turn the gaze in, mindfulness does not remain merely passive, mechanical mindfulness. It becomes active mindfulness. You come to know of the causal feeling. A desire has arisen. You come to know. That's the first step. The next step is you detach from it. Only then mindfulness will set to be complete. Otherwise, it will be half-baked. The mental formation of desires, likes, dislikes, aversions, hopes, wishes and expectations, these are all the causal feelings. When you get consumed with them again, you will not have a clue. I am saying merely knowing it, that it is there, is not sufficient. Detaching from it and dropping it is the next step. The second kind of feelings are consequential feelings that are the direct result of the causal ones. All other feelings that arise in the mind, like sadness, fear, insecurity, depression, frustration, boredom, excitement, pleasure, pain, getting fed up, getting attracted, all those feelings. So many of them, so many more are there. They follow the causal ones. You like and dislike. You have desires or you are averse to. That's why you are sad or angry or excited. or jealous. Otherwise, there is no reason that the consequential feelings will arise in your mind. There is no reason. So, mindfulness of feelings would mean detaching from causal ones as well as consequential ones. The moment you detach and drop the causal ones, the hold of the consequential ones loosens by itself automatically. You don't have to make much effort. Now, please sit straight with your eyes closed for 10 minutes. And watch your thoughts. When you will get lost in your thoughts, you will not remain aware that you are lost. After some time, your awareness will come back. At that time, when you wake up, ask yourself, what all causal feelings were hidden in my thoughts? That is, likes, dislikes. What likes and dislikes were there hidden in my thoughts? Just come to know. And then ask the second question. Do I want to be peaceful? Third question. Remaining attached with likes and dislikes, can I ever be peaceful? These three questions will help us detach from the causal as well as the consequential feelings fully and attain peace of mind. Please do it for 10 minutes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bless you. Thank you.